my grandmother, Fening Santiago. I call her Lola, which means grandmother in Tagalog. She is here to share with us her family's life in the Philippines. Question 1. How is your family's life in the Philippines?
We are happy, but it was a hard life. We work and pray really hard every day.
What do you do for a living?
Your grandfather is a truck driver. I had little store in our house. We raise animals like chicken, duck, and pigs, and then sell it. We also plant rice during summer and fish during rainy season.
Can you tell us how your day-to-day life is?
I woke up at 4:30 a.m. I will bring duck eggs to the market and sell it. Then I buy good for the store. I go home and I open and arrange the good in my store. I prepare breakfast for the kids. While I was the store, I feed the duck and chicken. The chicken food ready mix, but the duck food are fish where I still need to cut in small pieces. Duck lay eggs every day. So pick up the eggs too if someone wants something from the store. I had to stop what I am doing and attend to the customer, then back again to the animals. I'm done by lunch. After lunch, I clean the animal place and clean the store and make a list of what needed for next day. I will prepare dinner and watch the store around 10 p.m. I will close the store, I count the money, and I have everything ready for the next day. Food for the next day, list for my store, food for the animal, duck and eggs for sale. I usually sleep around 11 p.m.
Did your kids help you with your house chores?
Yes, when they are 8 years old, they clean the house. We didn't have washing machine and dishwasher. They use their hand to wash the dishes and clothes. They burn wood to cook food.
Did your kids attend school and did they encounter any problems?
Yes, all my kids went to school. They went to a public school. They walked 40 minutes to and from the school every day. Wearing slipper, I did not bother them because other kids in the neighborhood did not even get the chance to go to school.
Do you go on vacation during summer or when kids are off school?
No, we don't have the money to go on vacation.
What did your family do during the summer?
We work to save money for tuition. The kids work during summer for a couple of days. In a week and other days, they spend time playing with their friends. They work in a sewing company when they cut extra thread and put beads on the dresses. Then also help me in the store and they feed animals.
At what age did they start working?
Most of them started working at the age of 10 years old.
Did you buy any of them toys?
I couldn't afford to buy them toys. Actually, none of the kids experienced to have new toys.
If they don't have any toys, how do they play?
They play with each other. They play patintero, luksong tinik, luksong baka, tumbang preso, taguan, piko. They use leaves, flower, stone, and even sticks to play.
How do you celebrate holidays and birthdays?
We go to mass and eat noodles. None of my children had a birthday party or even had a cake on their birthday. I had my first birthday party when I was 60 years old, and that's my first birthday cake. We celebrate some holiday like Christmas, New Year, and Fiesta of Saints. But only on Christmas, I bought them new shirt and pants.
What is your family bonding?
We always eat together and spend time talking. We always work together and make it as fun as possible for the kids.
Do you think growing up poor helped your kids succeed in life?
Definitely, seeing how hard life is made them realize the value of education, so they work hard to finish college. I am proud to say that 4 of my kids finished college and 2 of them even passed the board exam here in the United States.
Would you have any advice for me?
In my station in life, if you work hard and pray to God, you will always succeed in life, love your family, and stay close.
Thank you. Bye.